Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Vidushi and Shatakshi. How are you both? Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. Take out your books.
Ma'am, the workbook or
Yes.
ma'am, workbook or the normal book?
Okay, tell me, we have done chapter number 4. We have completed chapter 4.
Yes, ma'am. You said that we will start a new chapter.
Yes, we've done. Now we are supposed to start the next chapter, right? Leçon 5 dans la classe.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
I'm in the classroom. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry?
I'm nothing. Ma'am, I was just saying the translation in English in the classroom of the chapter. I'm bringing my book.
Yes, go and get your book. I will also share screen with you.
Ma'am, I bought my both the books.
Good, beta, good. Okay. The name of the chapter is Dans la classe. Right? Now, what do we mean when we say dans la classe? What is the meaning of it?
I'm in the classroom. I'm in the classroom.
In the classroom, right? So in this chapter, we are going to learn two very important things. First is avoir verb. What is avoir verb? Like in the previous chapter, we studied être verb. Être verb is to be, right?
Yes,
What is avoir verb? Avoir verb is to have. Avoir is the infinitive form of the verb. Okay. If I want to say I have, what am I going to write? What is I in French? I in French is je, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
And if I conjugate avoir with je, it becomes what? It becomes a. AI. But I don't write it like this. What do I do? Because we have E as a vowel and A as a vowel coming together. Can you see? Je and A. Both the vowels E and A are coming together. So we can't write it like this. So what we do instead, we remove E from here and put apostrophe. Put an apostrophe and then I write AI. J. It becomes J, which means I have. Okay. Now suppose I want to say I have a pen. What will I write further? J on
stylo.
Stylo. Yes, this is what I'm going to write. Now, suppose
I have a
yes, I have a pen. Vidushi, I want to say you have a book. You have a book. I want to say.
Yes.
So what am I going to write for you? For you, I'm going to write you.
Ma'am, we will write few and then for the book we will write Oliver.
Olive. So where is the word have in between? Have has come as AS. You have a book. Okay? You have a book. Now I want to say Shatakshi has a book. So for Shatakshi, what am I going to write? I'm going to write L, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Or if I want to use it for a boy, I'm going to write ill.
Ill.
And for the word has, what am I going to write? Just single A. Okay, single A with ill and L. Do you get that?
Ill and L.
Yes, or is there any confusion?
No, ma'am. I'm not confused.
Shatakshi has a book, or Shatakshi has a notebook. Let's say notebook. Okay.
Ma'am, means like for example, in our one chapter we have read that with she we use is means s, and in the same way for in have we use a with she.
Ma'am, for what un is used?
And un show us a. This is what? This is showing. Are you there, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I am there.
It is article, indefinite article, which means a. Now suppose, see, I want to say we have books. For we, what am I going to write? No, isn't it?
No.
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 For have, what am I going to write? Avons. Nous avons, and then I want to say we have books. Nous avons, they live.
Yes, live.
They stands for indefinite plural article where the number is not specified. We're not talking about any specific or counted thing. Okay, just general. We have books. So, nous avons, they live. Now, suppose I want to say, both of you, do you have chocolates? Do you have chocolates? So, for you both, what am I going to write?
Whoa.
Vous.
Whoa.
First, I'll write vous. Then I will write correct conjugated form of avoir verb that fits with vous. So what it is? It is avez. Vous avez. Vous avez des chocolats. Vous avez des chocolats.
Des chocolats.
Yes.
Now let me put a question mark also. You have chocolates, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what are you going to say? Yes, we have chocolates. Now tell me, what are you going to say? We have chocolates.
We have chocolate. Vous.
Why vous? Why vous? We is not vous.
We. Okay.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Avon.
Very good.
They chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolat.
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 Yes. Nous avons des chocolats. Okay. Then.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please let my another device and my this device battery is low.
Okay, beta, join. Now, what I have written, Vidushi? Ils ont des bonbons. Bonbon. What is bonbon? Sweets. They have
Bonbon.
sweets. Yes?
Okay.
So this is avoir verb that we are going to study in this chapter. Now let's read out the chapter. Who will read? Vidushi or Shatakshi?
Ma'am, Vidushi.
Ma'am, Shatakshi.
Achha. Okay, any one of you read. Shatakshi.
Ma'am, Vidushi.
Okay, ma'am. Dialogue 1. Les professeurs, bonjour. Les elves.
Les
Ma'am,
élèves.
can we do this? I will lay Elvis and she be a lay professor, so we can
Okay,
read
yes,
that, like,
both of you. Yes, one dialogue by you and the other one by her.
Okay, ma'am. Les professeurs,
Le
bonjour.
professeur. Le.
Okay, ma'am. Le professeur, bonjour.
lay Elvis, bonjour, monsieur.
Les professeurs. Vous avez le livre, les français.
Shatakshi, also tell the pronunciation in English, what it means.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have your French book?
Very good. Then Vidushi.
Lay Elvis, oh, monsieur. Now, avance les livres de français.
What it means in English?
Oh, monsieur.
What is we? We.
We.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, it means yes.
Yes.
We have.
Yes,
Now.
we have.
It
Yes,
now.
sir,
We have the book now.
of French.
We have the book of French. and it's les élèves. We don't say Elves, we say les élèves.
Les élèves.
Yes, les élèves. Then, what does Anish say, Satakshi?
Le professeur est grand. The professor is tall.
Yes. Now, coming on to the next part, the professor est
Ma'am, manual is left.
grand. Yes?
My manual is left.
Manuel is saying le professeur est grand. Now, what is grand? Grand stands for tall.
Ma'am, tall.
Yes?
Ma'am, that is the Anish saying. The manual
Yes.
is saying au a plus in este sympathetic.
Okay.
Sympathy.
Listen. Oui, au plus, il est sympathique. Yes. Moreover, he is sympathique. Now, what is sympathy? Sympathy is kind.
Ma'am, addition.
Yes.
Ma'am, addition.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I'm saying sympathy means addition.
Addition? What is addition? Sympathic means kind.
Okay.
Okay. Now listen, the word grand that I have written on the whiteboard, it means tall. But if I want to use it for someone who is for feminine gender, what I'm going to use? Grand.
Grande.
Grand, not grande, grand. Okay.
Grand.
So it is pronounced as grand and grand. Yes. For females, like if I want to say Vidushi is tall. So what is she? L-A grand. Yes. And if I want to say Raghav is tall, so what will I say? Raghav a grand.
Grand.
Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
We will add E. But here, what manual says? Au plus, il est sympathique. Il est sympathique. Right? Sympathic means kind. This word already is ending with E. Can you see the spelling of sympathy?
Yes.
Ma'am, this is the feminine gender.
This is not feminine gender. There are few adjectives that already have E in the end. So in that case, if we have to use the same adjective for females, we do not add another E. Okay? If I want to say she is kind, what am I going to write? I will again write L-A sympathique with the same spellings. Is that clear? But the
Okay, ma'am.
adjectives which do not have E in the end, like grand. So what we did, we added E in the end to make them fit with feminine gender. Okay? Yes? Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now understood.
Understood. Now see, we will come across more examples like this, wherein the adjectives will have, like there are a few adjectives like bon, B-O-N, bon. To make it feminine, what we do? We double up the consonant N and add E, bon. Okay? Which is good.
Okay, ma'am.
Masculine and feminine. Another example is grow. That is fat. Now, if I want to use it for a female, what I'm going to use? G-R-O-S-S-E. Again, I'm going to double up the consonant and add E in the end. So it's il est bon, il est gros, elle est bonne, elle est grosse. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
These are a few rules which have to be kept in mind while applying them with masculine gender and with feminine gender. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now do one thing, take out your copies and whatever is on the whiteboard, just write it all.
I'm done.
Done? Yes, both of you have done?
Yes, ma'am. I have done. Shatakshi.
Vidushi, what about you?
Ma'am, yes, same.
All right. Now coming on to the second part of this chapter, we have the next dialogue, dialogue number 2. Now Manuel says, Voila Isabel. Voila means there is. Now can you see Isabel is at the door? Both these boys are sitting and they see Isabel entering the class. Yes? Voila Isabel. There is Isabel. Anish asks, Qui es? What is qui es? Who is she?
Who is he?
Manuel says, C'est une amie de Caroline. C'est une amie, which means she is a friend. She is a friend of Caroline. Now, if I have to use this word, what happened to the board? Yes. Now, if I'm using, we have come across the word army, right? What is army? Army is a friend. Now, if I put E in army, which also means a friend, but I'm talking about a female friend particularly. Okay. So that is why.
Feminine.
Yes, feminine. For Isabel, they have put I after army, which says that this is a friend of Caroline. Now, what is the meaning of the word? Can you see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come. DE. What
Ma'am,
is
you
DE?
are having a cold.
No, I'm not having cold. I get cough attacks sometimes. So what is it? DE. DE stands for of and from. Okay. What it means? It stands for of and from. Now it says, C'est une amie de Caroline. This is a friend of Caroline. Then Anish says, Elle a quel âge? Now, what is her age? What is her age? A very important thing that you have to take care of is, in French, we always ask age with our verb. Okay, I have written it here. I will also put a star before it. Where is star in laptop?
Ma'am, there are
Okay, on number 8. Okay?
stamps.
Yes, yes. Age is always used with avoir word. Like in English, we say, I am dash years of age. So in French, we can't say je suis. What will I say in French? I'm going to say j'ai. J'ai and my age. Suppose like if I use for you, what is your age? 13 years, 12 years?
11.
11 years. Okay. J'ai. Now, what is 11 in numbers? 11, right? 11, 11. J'ai 11, on. Yes? Can you see this? What I have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is it. Now what all we have learned? We have learned avoir verb in this chapter, which means to have. We have learned about adjectives, how adjectives are used corresponding to the noun they are being used for masculine and for feminine. If already they have E in the end, we do not change them in their feminine forms. If they have N or S in the end, we double up the consonant and add E in the end. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion till here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. And third important thing, that our verb is used to tell age. Now, suppose if I want to say, beta, you have dash age. You are 11 years. So what will I use? I am going to use tu are, right? Tu are in my avoir table. And see, tu are on, isn't it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how you're supposed to do. Okay? Clear till here? Now do one thing, write the translation of this whole chapter in your French copies in English. You will be able to write the translation. Shatakshi, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, I have written all the translations on the WhatsApp. Can I send it in the chat box?
Yes, write in chat box. I'm unable to understand. Beta, translation you want to send in the chat box. First, you write in your copy. Okay, first write it for yourself. If anyone will find any problem, you can tell the answer. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, now can you hear me properly?
Yes, I can hear.
Ma'am, I have written in the notebook.
Huh?
Ma'am, I have written in the notebook all the translations.
Written the translation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do one thing, click a picture. Click the picture of what you have written and send on the class group. Let me see.
Okay, ma'am.
Both of you will send picture of the entire work that you have done, beta. This screen also, what you have written from here, and your work. Both the things.
Ma'am, I can't send now. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. What you can't see?
Ma'am, I can't send my work now.
Acha, you don't have your phone.
Yes, ma'am. My mama is
Yes,
talking to
ma'am.
someone.
Satakshi, you can send
Yes.
or not?
No, ma'am, me too.
Acha. Both of you can't send. And what about you, Shalima? Have you done?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
All right. Till then, Shatakshi and Vidushi, both of you can come on to the next exercise. Complete the dialogue with a word. Now you have to pick a word from the text given above and do this exercise. Then we are going to discuss it.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I send you that what I have written the meanings in the chat box?
Yes, yes, you can send it.
Ma'am, I have sent you. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Very nice, very good. All correct.
Thank you. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss the exercise. Woo dash on stilo. What will come?
Ma'am, away. A-V-E-Z.
Very good. Vous avez un stylo. Then second.
Ma'am, away.
Yes, away. Mon père est dash. What is mon père? My father. It's my father. My father is dash. Now what are you going to use? Which word are you going to use? Mon père est.
And grand.
Yes, we can use the word grand. We can use the word sympathy. Yes?
Ma'am, grand means grand, that is written there.
Yeah, it means grand. Like grand means tall and big. In French, it means tall and big. The next. Caroline a une dash in the end. Caroline has a Indian dash. Caroline has an Indian what?
Dress.
But the word dress is not given here in the passage, in the text above.
Sorry, ma'am. Stylo.
But stylo is masculine gender.
Army. Ma'am, army.
Yes, army.
Ma'am, army.
Very good. Caroline has an Indian friend. Now we are bound to put something of feminine gender. Why? Because the nationality that they have given is of feminine gender. And also the word ion restricts us to put a noun of feminine gender only. So we have to take care of all these things. We are bound by so many factors to fill in the blank by a feminine noun. Got it, Vidushi? That is why we can't write stilo over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Then next, la fille est très dash. La fille.
Ma'am, what does it mean?
The girl is very dash. La fille est très
tall.
I'm not. I'm G-R-N-D-E.
Grande.
But grand word is not given here in the text. G-R-A-N-D is given. They have restricted us. They have told that you have to choose a word from the text.
G-R-A-N-D-E, that one.
Yeah, grand. But do you see in the passage? Is it given in the feminine form or it's just given in masculine form?
Ami.
The girl is very friend. Ami stands for friend. And if you put the word army here, the sentence.
E-L-E-V-E-S.
What is that?
Ma'am, elves, E-L-E-V-E.
The girl is very student. The girl is very student. What sense does it make? LF stands for
Very
student.
tall, I think. So
Ma'am, sympathetic you?
Very good, very good. Was it Shalima who
Ma'am,
answered?
sympathetic you? Yes, ma'am, I'm sympathetic.
Yes. La fille est très sympathique. She is very kind. Or another word that can come here is jolie. La fille est très jolie, which means pretty. The word pretty is given now. Elle est jolie. In the end, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Shatakshi
ma'am.
and Vidushi, what about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So write jolie or sympathique over here. Write it. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming on to the next part of the chapter, turn the page, come to page number 58. Now I'll just read it out for you, although I have explained it to you already. Les adjectives. In French, the adjective agrees with the noun it qualifies. Okay? Like for example, Manuel est grand. Now, if we talk about two masculine genders together, what it becomes? A changes to son. That we've already done in the previous chapter. Manuel est un niche, son grand. So we are also going to add S in the end to make them into plural. Clear? Example number 2. The feminine is normally formed by adding an E to the masculine form. Like how we did. Grand and grande. Caroline est grande. We will just add E over here. Now suppose if I want to say Shatakshi et Shalima sont grandes. What will be the spelling of grandes? Please type in the chat box and show. Shatakshi et Shalima sont tall. Both of you are wrong. Now why? Why?
Ma'am with S, ma'am with
Yes.
S, ma'am with S.
You're talking about, I'm talking about two girls. So it has to be changed into plural. Okay? Good, Shalima, you've changed. Now, if I want to say Shatakshi and Shalima are kind. Now, I want the whole sentence in the chat box from both of you. Shatakshi and Shalima are kind. Very good. Shatakshi, correct. Shatakshi et Shalima sont sympathiques. Shalima, have you written? Okay, coming on to moving further. But it does not take another E if already an E is there. Okay? Shalima beta, sympathique is correct for both you girls, but I told you to type the whole sentence. Never mind. Now just focus on what I'm reading. Then the third example, the plural is formed by adding an S to the singular form. Okay? The plural is formed by adding an S to the singular form. Ils sont grandes. S. Elles sont grandes. ES. But it does not take another S if already ending with an S. Now suppose I want to say, both of you look up in the chat box. Suppose I want to say, he is fat, right? What am I going to type? Il est gros. But if I want to say they are fat, so what am I going to type? again my grow is going to remain same because it already has S in the end. Clear? I will not add another S to make it into plural. It is already in plural. We have studied this example also when we studied plural of nouns in the previous last to last chapter. You remember? Nouns already ending with S do not take another S to be formed into plural. Similar is the case here. Clear?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it does not take another S if already an S is in the ending. Then l'accord des adjectives, agreement of adjectives. Now, how do these adjectives have to agree with the nouns? That we have studied a little and we are going to study more about them. Okay. For now, I'm ending this class here because there is no time left. Yes, we are going to do it tomorrow. Just go through all these adjectives. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.